Name as a trademark? I get that question a lot. Stay with me for the next 3 minutes and you will learn the answer. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to talk about, not remarkably, trademarks and copyrights. Now, I get this question a lot. Can I use my own name as a trademark? And the answer is, as with so many other legal matters, the answer is, well, it depends. It depends on, are other people, is another company already using a similar or the exact same name on a trademark for similar or related goods? That's really the question that needs to be answered. There is no simple right to use your name as a trademark. Give me an example. Okay, so let's say that your name is Ford and you want to start an automobile company and you want to make the coolest electric cars ever and you want to brand them with your name, Ford, right? Your last name is Ford. Well, it's too bad. You can't do that because there is already another car company using the word Ford as a trademark on cars. So just because your name is Ford doesn't mean that you can use the word Ford for a trademark. So here's really the answer. We treat names just like we treat any other proposed trademark. And we go into the database and we look at the database and we see, is anyone else using already or applied to use already a trademark that is similar for the same goods or related goods? If the answer is yes, then your trademark will be considered confusingly similar and it will not be allowed. Okay, so when we're using names, be it a last name or a first and last name, it's the same rules that apply. We need to make sure that no one else is already using that trademark before we apply. Now, this is a big mistake that a lot of people make. They apply and then they wait 4 months to hear back from the examiner, and then they get, oh no, the bad news that says, oh, we're sorry, we are refusing your mark registration because it's confusingly similar to another mark already in the database. Folks, you need to make sure that before you apply, you do a search to make sure that nobody else is using something the same or similar for goods that are the same as yours or related to yours. Now, the problem that a lot of applicants have when you use just a cheapy filing service like LegalZoom or Trademarkia, they do what's called an exact match search. So they will search your exact mark and they will look at whether or not somebody has it registered for your exact goods. But that's not enough because conflicts can arise when your mark or your similar mark, okay, it doesn't have to be exactly the same, is attempted to be registered for the exact goods as somebody else or goods that are related to somebody else. And unless you have the experience to know what goods are related, you're going to have a hard time evaluating the registrability of your mark. This is why people come to me to help me register their trademarks, because I've been doing this for so long that I know where that line is and I know which goods in the marketplace are considered related to other goods. I'm Angela Langlotz. I'm a trademark and copyright law attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademark and copyright law. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. You can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. And if you like my page there, you'll be notified every time I go live on Facebook. You can also message me there to ask me any trademark law or copyright law questions. I also have a huge library on YouTube where you can go and look at literally hundreds of videos about trademark and copyright matters. So find me there, subscribe to my page. You'll be notified every time I put up a new video.